Hey guys, Matty Mac here from the Oz Affiliate. I was going to go live, but guess what? Couldn't figure it out. So I'm just going to record this one and I'll upload it. Basically, I was going to go through the whole process of finding a brand new Clickbank offer and setting up and just going through as I do. If you're not quite sure what you're looking for, let's just have a look, see what we can find, see how we can apply some basics to it and see how we go. So first thing we need to do is find an offer. So of course, as always, we jump into Clickbank. Let's have a look at an offer. Now, as you guys know, if you haven't been with my channel for long, or if you're new, please make sure you subscribe because there's always tips and tricks coming out. So please do that. As we want to go in and find out what sort of new offers there are. So I'm only after the new offers. I don't want to go for what's been promoted in the past, then you're fighting against other people. Let's try and find something new, something that hasn't been promoted before. Let's try and find that. Let's go to the marketplace. Of course, you can check your own niche, but let's just see what's there. Let's search for everything and let's just dumb the field down a little bit. In the last couple of weeks ago, I did the last 15 days, so for all, let's do since then. Let's do since mid-January, so only for the last week. And let's just see what's... I haven't done this, it's completely off the cuff, so I'm not sure what has become available. Let's check and see. So some diabetes. Now, if you are in the health niche, please be wary, be careful. If you are promoting something that's not correct, you can get in trouble for it. So with the health niche, please be careful. This is why I don't know enough about health and fitness to really get into it. So that's why I don't promote it. But if you do, just be very careful, please. Domain heist. System that works. $24. Yeah. Let's have a quick look at that. Flat belly, another health. Facebook ad accounts training, $90, not bad. And people that are looking to learn in Facebook ads, teaching Facebook ads is quite a big market. And as you can see, the gravity is quite low at the moment, but it's starting to gain traction. And I bet, somebody outside my window, I bet if you look in another week or two, that will be a lot higher. So mark my words. And if you know anything about promoting Facebook ads or even doing Facebook ads, this might be the one for you. Business Box Italia. Don't speak Italian, sorry. If you want to narrow it down, just hit the English button. Or wherever you're from, of course. Conversion Funnels Pro, $90. It's got a JV as well. Now this is important. Let's have a look at the offer and we'll have a look at the JV page as well. That's interesting. Too early to come up maybe. In fact, that looks something I just had a pop up on my my antivirus, so might give that one a miss, eh? Yep, I hear. So the conversion funnels, let's have a look at that one. Nice, nice landing page. Straight to the point. I don't like these fonts, but whatever. A bit long-winded. It doesn't really get to the point too quickly. I'm looking at this, trying to look at it from the eyes of, a first lander. Funnels, only because I know what funnels are. 2 funnels. Video, I see. Could be worth looking into. Yeah, little bit long-winded for my liking, but yeah, let's move on. I do love funnels, of course, as you know. Just while I'm here to touch on it, remember, from wherever you are sending your traffic, of course, you want to send them to an opt-in page. Don't send direct to your affiliate link. Send to an opt-in page where you can gather emails. From there, send them to the sales page. But you always want to be building your, I can't stress this enough, you need to be building your email list, your email marketing list. This is a list that you own. Make sure you are building that list. Don't just let traffic pass you by. You want to grab, capture, so that you can retarget. Very important. What else do we see here? That's about it. Okay, let's keep going. That one didn't really grab me, so let's just keep going. Make money with YouTube. Obviously a very quick course, $18. Yeah. Oh, sorry, let's go back. The Conversion Funnels Pro had a JV page. Let's check out what JV they're adding. I should have looked at that first. So what sort of, if we're going to sell a product for them, what tools are they going to give us to help them sell their product? Let's have a look. So have a look at the sales page again, which I wasn't too fussed on. I think we could do better on a sales page. Let's just have a quick look at that, but let's have a look at the JV page. It's denied there. There's something not right with that page. Don't worry. Let's just have a look. So they're giving you the Clickbank offer. Unique. So you've got to sign up for it. Trial. Okay, so there's a good front end sale and a $47 a month, reoccurring. This is the money, a reoccurring commission month to month. So you have to make the sale once, not only to get a sale once every month that they stay with part of the program, you get a commission. This is where the money is, guys. $47 a month, 50% commission. A one-time offer, so an offer upgrade of $397, so you make 50% of that. iFunnels Enterprise. Okay, so it's like a funnel software. We've seen this before. We've seen it. We know the best in the business, of course. If you get 100 sales, you get, we know a much better funnel selling software that will give you a lot more than this. So if you're interested in that, the best funnels software on the market is already out there. So, and they give you a hell of a lot more. So, and since I'm already promoting it, and I do a lot for the people that want to promote it, if you do want to promote it, hit me up, because I've got all my bonuses which I just give you. I will give you all my bonuses if you want to promote it too. And they work, they're downloadable straight away. Hit me up below if you want to do that. Easy. Let's move on. That one didn't grab my attention enough, I don't think. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. See what we can find here. Make money from YouTube. Just look on YouTube. nofilmingneeded.com. Original. Yeah. See, the sales page is a bit too busy. You see what I mean? You just want to... Alright, let's just have a look. It's still no price. you know. I've clicked twice now and there's still no price. Just to see if I can find it. I just want to know how much it is. $40 Australian. That's a no-brainer. I should have known by the 50% commission there, but alright. Burn it to build it. Get yourself in shape. Health again. Health and fitness. Offio. Video marketer. Again, these have just hit the market that no one's making commission yet. So if you find the right one, you're ahead of the pack. Social Network Gold. Natural cleaning system. Text to speech has been done. A web app for your retail store. Now, retail is one of the niches that I am in. So that just grabbed my interest. So if something grabs your interest, investigate it. See what they have to offer. It doesn't look like it's been promoted yet, so it's a decent looking landing page. So it's an app. You can try it before you buy it. Different languages. Not really telling me what's going on. So if you have an e-commerce business, this is obviously an app that goes with it that you can give to your customers. Now that's not too bad. This might be something that I want to promote because retail is in my niche, of course. And it's obviously so that people can buy your product online. Doesn't really tell you much, though, does it? And I don't really want to try it. It's a bit slow. Anyway, I might mess around with this for a little bit. In part 2, I'll come back and we'll take it from this. This is just part 1. I'll upload this, and if you're into part 2, hit the notification bell, and when part 2 comes available, you'll just get a little reminder there. So check it out, and I'll come back and we'll see what happens a little later on. Remember, if you want to check out your own, see what you can find, and let me know what you found and how you're going to promote it. If you need some funnels and things built, that's what I'm here for. Hit me up if you have any questions, by all means. So I've come back to this software that I was looking at, this retail, looks like an app software, where if you have a retail store online, an e-commerce store, you can get this app and you can sell your products via app, which is really cool. I was quite into it. However, this software that I'm going through, it's really slow. It's really lagging. Remember, when you're promoting a software, you have to stand by it. You have to promote it with confidence, stand by it, really swear by it. And if people ask you, you have to give support on it. And this is just, it's taking so long. And it looks fairly basic. You can see here, this is pretty basic. and I would probably go a Shopify store who have an app feature instead of this one. So part of the learning process, of course, is we go through, we check these things out before we want to promote them. Very important. And this one, I've just sort of had a look through it. It's really not, I'm not confident enough to really promote it. So I'm going to give this one a miss. So lesson learned. I'll skip this one, and we'll just keep going and see what else we can find. But important, do your research, really get into it. If you're going to be the one promoting this, holding the candle for it, you want to know what you're getting into. Don't just willy-nilly choose one just to go for the money or whatever. It's something that you've really got to be passionate about and promote. So very important. Lesson learned. Let's move on, see what else we can find.